Welcome to the channel RK Learner for KCET NEET. Car A is moving east with a speed of 10 km per hour and car B is moving north with a speed of 10 km per hour. It is observed that initially car B is 100 km from car A. After what time the two cars appear at least distance from each other? And we are having four options: 1 hour, 5 hour, 10 hour and 2 hour. To answer this question, I assume the navigation like this. This is north. Car A is moving in this direction with a speed 10 km per hour and car B is moving in this direction with a speed of 10 km per hour. So we doesn't know the actual position coordinates of the cars. I simply assume at t is equal 0, the car A is here, which is moving in this direction, and car B is here, which is moving in this direction. Okay, so at t is equals 0. The separation, what they said, 100 kilometer is this one. So this is R1, I call it, and this is 100 kilometer, the separation. I call the distance from position of A to the origin is x, and position of B to the origin as y. Okay, so after some time, t, the new positions of the car will be written here. This is the new position of the car at t is equals t, car A, which is still moving, and car B is here at t is equals t, and it is also still moving. The new distance between the two cars is this one, right? So I call it R2, and I doesn't know what actually it is. It is any arbitrary distance that we doesn't know. And you must first calculate how much is this distance. I call it some x dash, and this as some y dash. So how much the x dash and y dash should be? Okay, so x dash should be is equals x minus this value is va into t, because va is the speed of car A and t is the time. So when I multiply these two, this is distance covered by car A in the time t. So that means the remaining distance from this position to origin will be this thing. And similarly, y dash is also equal to, it is y minus vb into t. This is how we can write. And here I can apply Pythagorean theorem, that is x square plus y square is equals r1 square, which is equals a constant. Right, here I can simply write x dash square plus y dash square is equals r2 square. This is not a constant, right? So now what I do is I simply substitute something for x dash and y dash from these things. Therefore what I can write, it is x minus va into t whole square plus what I can write, y minus vb into t whole square is equals r2 square. If I expand it further, it will be x square plus va square t square minus 2x va t plus y square plus vb square t square minus 2 times y vb t, that is equals r2 square. And I call this some equation 1, and of course this is a this is equation 1 and this one equation 2. So let me subtract these two equations, subtract equation 2 and 1 like this, so what we get? So on RHS, x square plus y square get cancelled. So the remaining terms are VA square t square minus 2x VA into t plus it is a VB square t square minus 2y VB into t. On RHS, it will be R2 square minus R1 square. And we must know one thing, that from given hint, the two cars are moving with same speed. Okay, so VA equal to VB, their magnitudes are same, which is equal to 10 kilometer per hour. So since this is the case, I can simply make some modifications here. What I can write, uh, these things can be written as 2 times VA square t square minus 2 times VA into x plus y into t, right? So that is equals R2 square minus R1 square. So this is one of the possibility. Now differentiate this thing. Now differentiate this. Okay, so what we may get? We may get, remember VA is constant, therefore the variable is t. We get 4 times VA square into t minus 2 VA, x plus y is a constant, t is the variable, so let it be. So this is equals, R2 is the variable, that is 2 times R2 into dr2 by dt, and R1 is constant, so I write 0. So now this is the situation. Okay, also if R2 becomes R minimum, then dr2 by dt should be is equals 0. Therefore, for R2 minimum, right? So R2 minimum, what I can write? I can simply assume that the right hand side total is 0. Therefore, 4 VA square t is equal to 2 times VA into x plus y. Well, so now I can simply cancel one of the VA term, and 2 can be cancelled here. Therefore, 2 times VA t is equals x plus y. Otherwise, what I can write? I can write t is equals x plus y divided by, it is 2 times VA. This is the general equation what we obtained. Okay, so if we put some values for x and y, we will get the time for the distance R2 becomes minimum. Okay, so the distance becomes minimum. The distance between the two cars becomes minimum. Well, so now what I assume, uh, in the initial situation, at t is equals 0. Okay, so car A is here. This is car A. That means x is equals 0. Okay, so car B is here at t is equals 0. That means this distance is y, right? So this y. So y itself is 100 kilometer. Y itself is 100 kilometer. So therefore, what happens? T is equal to this is 0 plus 100 kilometer divided by 2 times this is 10 kilometer per hour, right? So this will be nothing but it is 100 kilometer into hour whole divided by, it is 20 kilometer. So definitely this becomes 5, and the answer is t is equals 5 hour. That means after a time t is equals 5 hour, their separation becomes minimum. Okay, so after 5 hours, the separation between them will be minimum or least. So this is the answer what we got, right? So now the answer is option